Chris Cinnamon here. Thanks for checking out this video. It was recorded in front of a full house during my 2024 Summer Qigong Workshop. For more, be sure to subscribe to our channel and please like, comment, and share this video. It helps spread the word about the powerful benefits and fun of what I teach.
So what I'd like to do is start out and share my answer to the question, what is Qigong? So first, the etymology. The Qi is a Mandarin word that can connote energy, and it has other connotations, but energy is one of them. Gong is a Mandarin word that can connote practice. So Qigong, energy practice. And it's a label for a whole universe is too big a word, but a whole range of practices that include seated, standing, moving, interactive with another person, that spring from traditions that hold that we have energy that flows through our body, and we can work with that energy in ways that are beneficial for our health, that help us develop vitality, longevity, power, and some other objectives. And I am very deliberate in presenting it this way. This material comes from traditions. It does not come from Western science. There is some Western science that is looking into Qigong as interventions for various ailments, and some of the research suggests positive results. Other aspects of these traditions that may sound familiar to people or may be familiar to people are acupuncture, shiatsu massage, acupressure. Those are branches of the same set of traditions that hold we have this energy in our body. We can work with it. The Qigong I teach primarily is moving Qigong. I teach some seated and standing Qigong and some interactive Qigong. And mainly that's because people need to move. And most people come to me wanting to do some movement. And it's also, for most people, the easiest way to begin to get a feel for Qigong and what it can open up for you. Getting into Qigong, for most of us, involves tuning in to sensations in the body that initially are not so familiar. And like anything, if it's new, it's new, and it takes a while to get the hang of it. My experience, both as a practitioner and as a teacher, is initially, most people get some sense that, hey, I've got some sensations these movements are stimulating that I can begin to work with. And then over time, the sensitivity to those sensations, the practices related to developing your energy system, all begin to come together, and people say, yeah, I'm working with part of my humanity that I don't work with in other practices.